The Novistretch High Flow Front End Mask is the easy and affordable way to protect the front end of your 2005 to 2014 Mustang. This is going to provide you plenty of flexibility and protection with basically no compromise at an affordable price tag. If you were around in the 80s and 90s, you'll likely remember the famous car bras. They were pretty bulky, didn't have much airflow, and they looked very of their time. But the Novistretch High Flow Mask is not a car bra. Now, the first thing you're going to notice about this is how much coverage it actually provides. It's going to cover pretty much the entirety of your front bumper and grille area, and even covers the top of the grille on 2010 through 2014 models. So it protects some of the most vulnerable spots on the front end of your Mustang without covering your headlights. As you can see on our car here, it hugs the contours of the bumper closely and adds that additional layer of protection against bug guts, rock chips, and whatever else the road may throw your way. Now, this fabric is designed to be breathable so it won't impact airflow, and it's also going to be gentle on painted surfaces so it won't damage your paint. There are no traditional seams here, so these aren't going to be rubbing your paint away as you drive along. And there are also no gaps or cutouts that are going to allow dirt and grit behind to rub into your paint. Really, it's a very clever setup. Now, it's also removable in a matter of seconds, so you can pop this on for a long road trip and then take it off when you get to an event to show off your car. It makes a lot of sense if you want something that is going to be simple and affordable that's still going to protect the front end of your Mustang. Now, we touched on some of this already, but Novistretch's fabric is a breathable, high-flow proprietary synthetic that is designed for this exact purpose. Again, there's no traditional seams. Anything here on the outside is nice and soft, and so is the material itself. There's no gaps, there's no cutouts, and it's made to fit the S197 specifically, so the fitment is gonna be spot on. The patented snap and strap hardware here makes installation and removal easy, and when you take the mask off, no one will even be the wiser that you ever had it on, which I think might be my favorite part of the entire thing. You get all the benefits and protection that you want, but you can take it off and it'll look like nothing ever was on there. Pricing comes in at about $200, and I think that's a really good deal for something that's going to provide you with this much protection. It costs a heck of a lot less than repainting the front end or even just your front bumper, and it's even going to undercut the cost of paint protection film in most cases, and will give you similar amounts of protection to the film, but for the price, you really can't beat this. Installation gets a 1 out of 3 on our difficulty meter, and the job should take you around 30 minutes to complete. You just need to swap a few fasteners out for the ones provided in the kit, and you're pretty much done. Once the initial installation is complete too, you can have this thing on and off in a matter of seconds. We're going to show you how to get it set up and on your Mustang now, so with that, let's head on out to the shop.
For this install, you will need a ratchet, 7mm socket, a T20 Torx bit. Today we're going to be installing a front end mask on our Mustang, so let's get started. Alright, so to get started, we've got our hood popped and we've got our wheels turned away from the side of the fender that we're going to be operating in first. What we're going to do is grab our 7mm socket on a ratchet. We're going to remove our upper screw right here and our lower screw in our fender liner. We're going to be replacing them with the snap head screws for our new front end mask. So we'll get these 2 screws out first. Now we'll grab our snap screws and install those. So now we've got our snap head screws and we're going to install those with our T20 Torx bit on our ratchet. We've got our screw and our washer. Get this lined up in our factory screw spot. And once you got these 2 installed, you can do the same thing for the other side. All right, so now that we have our snap screws in place, we've got our mask. We're going to line up our 2 snaps for each side onto those screws. Once you got these 2 snapped in, we'll stretch our cover over the front and snap the other 2 in on the other side. Now, you do want to keep your cover as straight as possible when you stretch it across the other side. You want it to go completely over the bottom of the front bumper, and we'll snap the other 2 in place. All right, so now we'll stretch this out. Now we're going to get our 2 straps over our outer hood bumpers, just like so. Alrighty, that about wraps up our review and install of our Novistretch High Flow Front End Mask for your 05 to 14 Mustang. Thanks for watching, and as always, for everything Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.